Hi all, welcome to Vision Board community. So today I'm just inviting to Teju. So she will give you some kind of inspirational journey how to make a transition from testing career to Azure data engineering successful career. Teju, welcome to Azure Vision Board podcast. Are you there?
Yeah. Thank you, Devi, for
Okay.
giving to opportunity to introduce whatever I do in a according to the vision. Thank you.
Okay, great. They do just want to know your journey because that will make you more inspiring people, right? These are the concepts will be available or these are the concepts you learn. So can you please tell me?
Yeah, sure, no problem. Yeah, if I'm coming to my experience, I have a 5 years, 10 months of experience in IT. With
Ah,
the 3 years of experience as a data set, so I'm looking as a transaction into the data engineer role. I just
hmm,
recently like 4 months back, I was joined the Vision Board organization, and that helped me to prepare for the career to move when I started the Vision Board organization. I don't know what that times as a data engineer. However, like as a you mentor, you have to done a great job to introducing me to when I started the to field. I am now good understanding of data engineering principles, working knowledge, main tools as usually field as such as the Azure Data Field, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, PySpark, SQL, and Python. After about that 3 to 4 months of learning, I started to applying data engineer jobs. Then
okay.
the course is starting to coming to almost immediately after about like a few calls, like 7 to 8 calls per day. Most of the
Hmm,
questions they asked me in an interview in starting phase, related to ADF, SQL, Databricks. I'm feeling more confident with the each of interview when I'm so optimistic about the landing of data engineer role as a soon.
okay. That is really nice, right? Okay. Then one more thing, Teju, when you attend, you are coming from a different background. So
Yeah.
main challenges, right? Testing to converting to Azure, the main challenge, how you overcome those challenges, how you confidently, I know you are speak confidently. So what are the main challenges you face that time?
Okay. So, in the beginning of the transaction from the functional test to the data engineer was challenging for me. Actually, however, as I progressed through the course material provided by the Vision Board, the concept becoming like a increasingly the clear the guidance and expertise of the instructor, where we invaluable resolving any doubts or after that completing the Databricks fundamental certifications, or I gained the solid understanding of Databricks and PySpark with the solid field. My path is toward becoming to the as a data engineer. Before joining as a Vision Board, I don't know how much data engineer. I know the basic but not in the depth. However, after joining the Vision Board, I started to learning more and more. You motivate the people, work towards the certifications, coding in SQL and Python, including PySpark. You also taught how crack the first round of interview. In additions, you created the lab of real time project. And all of this experience have helped me a lot in my interviews. I truly believe that everything I have learned in a Vision Board program has prepared me to success in my role, such as the Azure Data Engineering.
Okay. Teju, one more question. Because I am telling to people, certification will boost your resume, right? Is it
Right.
true or not?
Yeah, it's really true. When we have to any certifications, then like HR has more appreciate about the calls and each and everything, so they have to more appreciate it.
Appreciate, right? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That is really nice actually because people are still struggling to take this. They are asking me we need to take the certification or not. But I'm just telling like certification will boost because if you apply like a job, 10 people will be there. If you have more certificate, your resume will be up like a more boost or like a will get more visibility, right?
Right.
Okay. And Teju, one more thing. So whoever making a transition to Azure or like a data engineering career, do you already cracked it, right? You have the confidence also.
Yeah.
So, what are the advice or something suggestions you can give from your side, right? Some materials or like a transition. This will take some months or any suggestion. You are a success person, so you can give to the people.
According to my suggestion, I'll preparing to become as a Azure data engineer required to structure like an approach to the learning, practical experience, and a certification is more important. After that, we just develop a study plan weekly. As I do follow, like we weekly scheduled dedicate 1 to 2 hours a day. Whatever the study we have to do, like ADF, Databricks, PySpark. According to that, I have just done, and I'm more practicing. In the
Oh,
weekends, I spend 3 to 4 hours each of day hands on the project. I just break down my topics according to the weeks. If I talk about like a week 1 2, I done with the Azure fundamental, Azure 900, like this. Week 3 to 4, I was done with the data engineer basic like ETL, data warehousing, data modeling. Week 5 to 6, I've just done the SQL and database management. Week 7 to 8, I just done with the Azure Data Factory. 9 to 10 week, I was done with the Azure Data Breaks, Big Data Technology. In 11 to 12 months, I was done with the Azure Synapse Analytic and Data Lake Storage. Week
oh,
14, I was done with the data security and governance. And last and final, week 15 to 16, I was done with the certification preparation of DP203. That's it.
okay. Oh, really nice. Actually, that's why you can able to cracking the interviews also. I think you're a true inspiration because testing background, some people are thinking like already testing background, we cannot upskill, we cannot change our path and all right. But
Yeah.
you prove it. That is really nice. Testing to assure data engineer, then with the good hike also you get it right. So you
Yes.
can successfully you are moving to whatever the project you are assigning also. That will be really nice, Teju. So thanks, Teju, for giving a time to the connect with the helping your mentality to helping the people also. I'm already thank you to you.
Thank you, Devi, for giving this opportunity. Actually, because of you, I just cracked my interview. You helped me a lot
No,
beyond
no,
the.
this is the path, right? Actually, I'm like a kind of helping, just kind of. This is completely your dedication, your consistency. You already tell me like this week you completed this one, this week you completed. This is completely your dedication. I'm just the part of your journey. Okay, so that is really nice actually. So team, thanks for like any kind of maybe I can share like in the future once Teju settle in their companies and all, I'll be sharing the contact number also. Teju will help you. So any kind of doubt or testing background to this one, Teju will available for that time. Thanks, Teju. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Devi. Thank you.
Thank you.